Well, it's not very often we get to show you a large stack of vintage Royal Crown Derby. This is a pattern that it's not particularly well known, but it's very, very pretty. These it's quite a Christmassy pattern, really, or certainly winter, with these rings and then these little floral design in the inner sort of band of the rim, palpable with the rich enamels that they've used on here, and then two lines of gilt all the way around. Let me show you the China marks on here. There we go. Pattern called Brittany. The date marks on Royal Crown Derby. You can find examples of the cipher marks, the XLs and the XXVs, everything will give you the actual year of manufacture. And this stack was actually manufactured over a course of 4 years. We've got the dates on the actual website listing. You can see the internal factory reference number A1229 as well, and the Royal Crown Derby English bone China marks. Nicely deciphered there on the back. The condition of them is really, really good. As I say, unusual to find such a good stack of, these are actually 9 dinner plates, 10.5 inch, in really fine condition. Just a very occasional knife mark over the surface, but otherwise as clean as you're going to get. I don't think Brittany's been made since early 1990s, so it's one of the Crown Derby vintage patterns. Thank you very much, young lady. Why are you barking at me? I've got puppies sitting again. One's got a bone, one hasn't, and they're most unhappy. Back to the China. These are going on sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We're going to get them listed this afternoon. They should be on sale from early afternoon. Stack of 9. They're being sold individually for the replacement market. I think they're going to prove very popular due to the fact that they're quite rare to find and the condition's very, very good. So we'll pop a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.